Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
I'm turned up, I really found someone like you. I'm turned up, I really found some.
So, I won the Hooked on Honey Cream of Nature Instagram giveaway with Target. Like, I love Target. I have the package right here. Got my scissors. Ooh. Got the edge control, which, by the way, I love this edge control. I actually have it on right now. Got my edges laid. Twisting cream. Got the detangler, leave-in conditioner. I love leave-in conditioner. Styling lotion. And the gift card. I'm gonna keep this forever. And that's it. Actually, that's not just it. That's like more than enough. Like, so excited. I need to get my hands on the shampoo and conditioner. I really want to try that out. So I'm definitely going to be doing some videos with these now that I got them. So freaking happy when I saw the post that I won. I mean, well, that's all the post. When I saw the message that I won, I literally screamed, and Carlos instantly knew what I was screaming about. He was like, "You won the giveaway." I was like, "I won the giveaway!" I was so freaking I was so freaking happy. I was screaming, and even when the box came and I walked through the door, I was like and all my kids were right there. I have 3 kids. All my kids were like looking at me like, why is she screaming? And then I told them, they were like, yay, you won a giveaway. So yeah, but anyways, you guys, thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and have a blessed day, you guys. And enter in those giveaways. I keep telling you, enter in those Instagram giveaways, because they are real and you never know, you may just win. So stay up, stay blessed. Love you guys so much. Bye.